This tutorial will teach you the main functions of Features Online and how to check or update truck status using the app. The main objectives of this case are: understand the functions of Features Online, check and update the truck status remotely, browse the Help and Support menu, learn effective repair. Select the Trucks Portal website and Features Online app shortcut. After connection, fill the vehicle ID by selecting the registration plate or the chassis ID or VIN number, then click on Select. In this page, you will find several different pieces of information from the selected truck only. Here you can read the truck specifications, such as the truck model, the emissions level, the gearbox, or the engine installed. The contract with connectivity allows extra possibilities using Features Online. It's mandatory to have the repairing dealer's name filled in the order to update the truck. After clicking on the connection button, you will get a live vehicle status, such as the battery state of health, the battery voltage with at least 23.5 volts needed to update the truck, but also the vehicle mode, the parking brake status, or the odometer value. From this page, you can connect to another truck by disconnecting the previous one. The orders status shows all the orders ongoing or sent to the selected truck. You have the possibility to filter the list and to export it in an Excel file. In the Diagnostic Trouble Code tab, you can read the fault codes stored from the central systems and from the vehicle. You cannot remove them, and the list can be printed. This tab is the one to update VDA Plus, or update the truck by first launching the consistency check and calling the current parameter values. They'll compare the software part numbers and parameters of all control units between the central systems and the truck. This check needs to be validated. Truck updates need to be performed via Features Online or via TechTool in case of calibration. Now, let's go through all functions in detail. You could find in the administrative services all kits that update VDA Plus, like fleet management, for example. General description can be obtained after the feature selection. In the Accessory Kits tab, users are permitted to order and install an accessory kit from a list of available kits. To get a general description of the feature, click on the accessory product website link. In parameter programming, a set of parameters is permitted. Select the feature requested, read the description, and open the selected one. Some deeper parameters can be found in this list. They can sometimes adjust or prevent fuel and battery consumption. Select the requested one, fill the correct value, and read the description before validation. For all vehicle configuration and order validated, follow this process. Check the correct feature name requested, select the general software scenario if asked, fill the work order number, tick the pre-approval of cost after customer validation, fill in the 6-digit driver code if requested, check if the consistency check has been performed, and then click on Send Order. Check the sent order from Central Systems to the truck. Wait until the order is set in Ready for Activation mode. Then you can call the driver to confirm the update has been performed in the truck and share the update driver code if needed. This tab recaps the permitted features for the basic technician level. This tab recaps the permitted features for the skilled technician level. The default timeout tab sets the requested timeout to make it available in the vehicle for installation. The default and longer time is 27 days. If the timeout has passed, resend the order. The Help and Support menu gives you tool information and support in case of remote failure. practice with some tutorials that show you the path to follow for truck update. Check if your sub-dealer name is implemented and set your local information. Features online.